The legal guardians of 10-year-old Gianna Bradley are due to be back in court tomorrow.
Experts tell me prosecutors have a solid case thanks to mounting evidence, including videos and photos of the alleged abuse. A warning, some of the details are disturbing. Court documents describe the horrific abuse of Gianna Bradley at the hands of her legal guardians, Thomas and Brandy Bloss and Deborah Jerome, who were accused of her murder. According to court documents, Gianna was covered in sores, too many to count, repeatedly tied up with duct tape, kept with a box over her head, made to defecate in a bucket, and starved over the course of several years. Former Attorney General Doug Chin says the smoking gun in this case is evidence collected from the defendant's cell phones. Court documents say it includes photos and videos of the alleged abuse and text messages between the defendants that describe how to tie the girl up and mentions withholding food and water from her.
It's always difficult to be able to prove a child abuse case for law enforcement. So to be able to have active videos or detailed photos that show exactly what was happening, when it was happening, that's really significant for law enforcement and for the prosecution of a case.
In most child abuse cases, Chin says prosecutors are forced to rely on circumstantial evidence, which the defense will try to explain away.
It's easy for the perpetrators to say, well, it looks like maybe there was an accident or maybe they self-inflicted it. And even though those are hard explanations to hear, they're not always the easiest ones to disprove in court.
Court documents say Brandy Bloss and Deborah Jerome told police Gianna got a large cut on her nose in a bike accident and that she had tantrums daily and would throw herself onto the ground, causing injuries.
When you have actual video or as much evidence that is apparently in this case, that's going to be difficult for the defendants to be able to overcome.
Former Hawaii Deputy Prosecutor Ricky Roy Damerville has worked on high-profile child abuse and murder cases such as Peter Boy Kemah. He says this case is a done deal.
Yes, I would consider it a slam dunk. That's what you have. Assuming all the search warrants were in place at the time that you obtained all that evidence. Do I think it will go to trial? I doubt it.
So you don't think it'll go to trial? You think they'll settle?
Yes, I do.
Now, there is a fourth adult who lives in the home with the Blosses who has not been arrested. Chin says that person could also face charges for failing to take action, resulting in Gianna's death.